Hi everyone, my name is Camille Holder and my skill is cake decorating and baking. I got into it because I eventually fell in love with cake decorating. I saw it and I said I wanted to learn how to do it, and now I'm glad that I did because I'm going into opening my own business. I also learned a lot of things about myself while doing this. I learned about patience, I learned about tenacity, I learned that failing is quite okay. It just gives you an opportunity to work at it again. Even though I do have a job, I am really happy that I got into this because now I have a second income coming in. I don't have to depend on one income. I know for a fact that just in case tomorrow I no longer have a job, I can depend on my cake decorating to get me the income that I need.